Hello, don't worry if Blender looks overwhelming. Today we're learning 3 simple tools and that is all you need to get started. The 3 tools are Move, Rotate and Scale. Before we move anything, we need to select it. If you left click on the cube, it becomes highlighted. That means it's selected. If you accidentally click somewhere else and you don't see the selection anymore, just click on the cube again. Simple. Now let's start with the Move. In Blender, Move is also called the grab, and the shortcut for that is G on your keyboard. So if you press G, you can see that you can start moving the cube or any mesh that you actually have on your canvas. Now left click is confirm, it will place it where you left it, and right click is cancel, so it puts it back to the previous spot where it was. And that's the basic moving tool. But what if you only want to move your object in one direction? After pressing G, press X, and now the cube or your mesh will only move on the x-axis. You can do the same with y. Now it moves on the y-axis, and do it for z, so it only moves on the z-axis. This is extremely important for 3D work because once you actually go and move around and you want to make sure that you only move something up and down, you can press G and Z to do that. And especially if you're on, let's say, on a side view, it's very easy to move it this way. But if you only press G and do it, and move your cube around, it just has too much freedom to move in any direction, and this means that maybe your cube moved away from the middle. Now next up is rotate. Press R on your keyboard and then move your mouse, and this way you can rotate your cube. You can once again left click for confirm and right click to cancel. You can also control rotation by axis once again. After you press R, you can press X, so rotation is on the X axis, Y for Y-axis and Z for the Z-axis. Now let's see how to scale your object. So click on your object once again, press S on your keyboard, and then you can scale the whole object. But what if you only wanna scale the X-axis? Then press X on your keyboard and you can do it only on the X-axis. Same with the Y and same with Z. And this way you can choose which side you want to scale up or down. If you're one of these people who hates keyboard shortcuts or you just are not able to use them, then there's also these gizmos over here. For example, this is the move tool, this is the rotate tool, and this is the scale tool. But I highly suggest remember all the keyboard shortcuts because this will make your workflow so much better. This is just a bonus pro tip for you guys. So if you click on your object once again and for example want to move it, press G on your keyboard and then X and press 2, then your object moves exactly 2 units on the x-axis. So this gives you a precision control. And that is it. Just remember, move is G, rotate is R, scale is S, and you can also press X, Y, or Z just to control different axes. So these 3 tools are the foundation of everything in Blender. In the next video, we'll learn how to switch between object mode and edit mode. And if this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to not miss the next upload.